Welcome. Today I am with the VIVO Y22S and I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks in this smartphone. To open the Pro mode, you have to go for the more modes and select this option. For the first, I can recommend you to click on this information icon where you will find description of every parameter in this mode. Right now I will show you how you can adjust these parameters. First, we can find exposure compensation. We can set it between -3 and the +3, and that's the only parameter that you can only adjust manually. Here we can find ISO, manual slider, and automatic adjustment. Next, shutter speed. We can set it even for the 32 seconds. Here we can find the white balance with presets and also with manual slider and automatic adjustment right here. In this place we can find focus range. So when I set it up like that, every objects that are close to our lens, it will be out of the focus. So you have to move your phone like that, a little bit far away. And if you want to get focus on the close objects, you can set it up like that, for example. But when you put it too close, it will be out of the focus, so you have to change it another time. And we can reset parameters by tapping on this icon. We can also find we can change the photo format right here. We can enable the flashlight, and right here we can find the settings. And that's all for this video. That's how the camera Pro mode looks on the VIVO Y22S. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.